No concern, eh?
You can see he's lying with his head on that one tree.
Yeah.